Hello everyone, it's me, Joey, and today we're going to unbox something else. But aside from the usual laptops, AIOs, or gadgets that we do, today we're going to unbox a camera. But not just any camera, it's the GoPro 6. Okay, so this has been out in the market for quite a while now, but I just found the time recently to unbox this thing. Okay, so it's the 6th generation GoPro Hero, but it's not their 6th device. They've had other products like the Black and of course the Session series. So without further ado, let's just unbox it so that we get a better view of the product, and let's talk about the spec. Okay, so you can see the security seal is still on, so I'm just having a little bit of time removing it. Okay, so I think it's about to do it. Oh, that's it. Okay, let's see. Okay, and then you can just pair it up with your phone, so iOS or Google Android. Okay? Okay, so on with the item. Okay, so there's this acrylic glass casing over here, and let's start with the product. Oh, okay, wait. Let's start with the boxes inside. So, popping up this, you have your warranty card. You break it, we'll replace it. So this thing is supposed to be able to withstand shock, water, and everything. That's why it's one of the best action cameras, if not the best action camera available out there in the market. So if it doesn't do as advertised, they will replace it, not just repair. So that's the one. You get some GoPro stickers. If you're a GoPro addict, you can put it in your bag or your car if you want to. And of course, you have your product specification. Okay, visit GoPro.com for more information. What else we have? Okay, we have the accessories. We have the batteries that's over here, so you can just buy extra batteries if you want to. If you want to be if you want to be charger or outlet free, just bring in multiple batteries with full charge with you, so that you can keep on recording the entire day. And then of course you have your cable. It's USB 3, so it's faster charging and faster data transfers from your GoPro to your phone or your GoPro to your computer. And it uses Type C. Yes, Type C. So now you don't really have to carry multiple cables. The older GoPros used to carry a micro USB slot. And here is your mount. Okay, so it has the 3M, a really thick 3M. And it's your usual remove from the top, the lock. Then you can get your camera out. Okay, so let's talk about the specs of this thing. So, as mentioned earlier in the specs, this camera is now able to do 4K at 60 frames per second, so that's really high quality slow-mos at 60 frames. And you can do full HD at 240 hertz or 240 frames per second. So that's some really awesome slow-mos. Okay, other things it can do is that when you're recording, you can just do a command, start recording, stop recording. You can say it to go a little bit zoom or not, so it will do all that for you with just a voice command. You no longer have to bring it back to you, touch the settings or whatever. Okay, the good thing about this also is there's no more physical buttons, except for the home button, of course. You can just tap to zoom and then navigate through the controls as you see fit. So there are so many available accessories for this thing, and you can just visit their website to check them out. But this thing is available for 23,490 pesos. It used to be 28,990, but they have a 5,000 peso permanent price cut right now. So I really think that this is a good deal, and it's one of the best times to buy a GoPro Hero 6. So we're gonna try out this GoPro in one of the places that we'll visit in the next week or so, and then we'll give you some raw footages, unedited footages, just so you can see how this thing really performs. So for now, I hope you can click subscribe and like the channel, and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.